You want Wi-Fi? I'm MC Pineda.
And I'm Kim Manaloto.
You're watching
Wi-Fi!
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm MC Pineda.
And I'm Kim Manaloto.
You are watching Pandalaw. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm MC Pineda.
And I'm Kim Manaloto.
You're watching
Wi-Fi!
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm MC Pineda.
And I'm Kim Manaloto.
You're watching
Wi-Fi!
Ayaw nga pala. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm MC Pineda.
And I'm Kim Manaloto.
You're watching. They will share to us their own knowledge about the wireless communication.
Stay tuned.
They will share to us their own knowledge about wireless communication.
Are you watching Wi-Fi?
So, Mr. J.M. Buenagua, what can you say about wireless communication?
Today's society has become increasingly dependent on communication networks. Hence, engineering and scientists continue to search for more real...
Okay.
So that's the meaning of PM wave.
Yeah, right, partner.
So let's talk about radio communication. That electric signals can be transmitted by EM waves instead of by electric current in wires. In 1901, by the 1920s, radio programs had begun to be broadcast on a regular schedule. Today, practice